Alright, so, you want to build muscle but you're not sure where to start? Maybe you've just signed up for a gym membership, or you're staring at a set of dumbbells at home feeling a bit lost. It's totally normal to feel overwhelmed at first. There's so much information out there and everyone seems to have a different opinion on what works best. Trust me, I've been there too. We all start somewhere and the first step is just deciding to make a change. The good news? You don't need to be an expert or have a personal trainer by your side every day to see progress. What matters most is that you're willing to learn and put in the effort. The truth is, you don't need a fancy gym or a decade of experience to see real results. You can start building muscle with whatever you have, whether that's a full gym, a few resistance bands, or just your own body weight. The most important thing is to get moving and stay consistent. Let's keep things simple. Step 1, your muscles grow when you challenge them. That means you need to give them a reason to adapt and get stronger. This can be lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing body weight exercises like push-ups, squats, and pull-ups. The specific exercise isn't as important as the fact that you're pushing your muscles to do more than they're used to. The key is to push yourself a little more every week. Maybe that's an extra rep, a heavier dumbbell, or just better form. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Over time, these small improvements add up to big changes. Keep a workout log or use an app to track your sets, reps, and weights. This way you can actually see your progress and stay motivated. And don't forget about form. Good technique is crucial, not just for building muscle but for staying injury-free. If you're not sure how to do an exercise, look up a video or ask someone at the gym. It's better to lift lighter with great form than to go heavy and risk hurting yourself. Now let's talk nutrition. Don't skip this part. Muscle needs fuel to grow. Protein is your best friend here. Foods like chicken, eggs, beans, tofu, fish, and Greek yogurt are all excellent sources. Protein helps repair and build the muscle fibers you break down during your workouts. Try to get a protein source in every meal, and don't forget carbs and healthy fats for energy and recovery. Carbs like rice, potatoes, oats, and fruit give you the energy to power through tough workouts, while healthy fats from foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil help your body recover and keep your hormones balanced. Eating a variety of whole foods will help you feel your best and support your muscle-building goals. Planning ahead can make a huge difference. Try meal prepping or keeping healthy snacks on hand so you're not tempted by junk food. Remember, building muscle isn't just about what you do in the gym, it's also about what you put on your plate. Oh, and water. Stay hydrated. You're not a cactus. Your muscles are made up of mostly water, and being even a little dehydrated can make your workouts feel way harder. Aim to drink water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Next up, recovery. Your muscles don't grow while you're working out, they grow when you rest. That means taking time to stretch, cool down, and let your body recover after each session. Don't ignore soreness. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. So get your 7-9 hours of sleep and don't train the same muscle group every day. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work, and skipping it can slow down your progress. Schedule rest days into your week, and don't feel guilty about taking them. They're just as important as your workouts. Take time off. Your muscles will thank you. Use your rest days to recharge, catch up on hobbies, or spend time with friends and family. Remember, fitness is about balance, not just grinding non-stop. Consistency is your secret weapon. You won't wake up jacked overnight. It's the small daily choices that add up over weeks and months. Make a plan, stick to it, and don't get discouraged if you don't see instant results. Plateaus are normal, and everyone hits them. When you do, try changing up your routine. Add new exercises, increase the weight, or tweak your nutrition. Celebrate your small wins along the way, whether that's lifting a heavier weight or just feeling more confident in your own skin. But if you stick with it, track your progress, and keep showing up, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Take progress photos, write down your achievements, and remember how far you've come. The journey is just as important as the destination. And remember, everyone starts somewhere. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to the person you were last week. The only competition that matters is with yourself. Focus on your own growth and be proud of every step forward. So, to sum it up, challenge your muscles, fuel them right, let them recover, and do it all again. Stay patient, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. That's Muscle Building 101. Now go crush it. Your future self will thank you for starting today.